Hey everyone, today I will show you how to enable waiting room in Google Meet. So let's get right into it. First, open your preferred browser and search Google Meet and open the first link. It should take you to the Google Meet homepage. Here, click on New Meeting and start a meeting or schedule a meeting. Once you are in the meeting, look for a lock icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and it should take you to Host Controls. Here, you have various options to control the meeting, but what you're looking for is meeting access type. Here, make sure the trusted option is turned on. This will create a waiting room for the people who join the call. They will stay there until the host allows them inside. And that's it. Thank you for watching and hope this guide was helpful.